Hey folks, today I'm going to be showing you the 285 RLSW by Jayco. So, today, this Jayco is awesome. It's the Rocky Mountain edition on the Jayco. Comes with a power tongue jack, and it also comes with the bigger tanks. So, that's a good thing. So we're going to do it a little bit different. This one has the power awning because we're close to that one. We're going to enter from the bedroom. So this one has 2 doors in it. So I'm going to start with the bedroom. Nice size walk-around bed that also has shocks under there, so you have storage under the bed. LED lights, so if you night lights if you want to read. And you have 2 hanging closets. And you have a spot with a plug for your computers, or if you want to also have your machines there for breathing. Follow me, folks. Now, when you come into the galley, as you can see, it has the rear lounge, has the 2 chairs over there with all this window space. You also get a couch that's a jackknife couch that you can make into a spare bed if you do have guests. Lots of storage, lots of windows, more storage up here. This is an awesome trailer. It's on sale, so please give me a call if you're interested in a great deal on an awesome trailer. Comes with the 2 sinks. You have your 3 burners. The roof on this is a Magnum Truss roof, so it's a very sturdy roof. You can stand and walk on this roof, okay? You also have ball bearing drawers that's very sturdy, okay? You have 4 of those right here. You also get an oven on top of your burners, and you get a cool looking microwave that matches. Everything matches in here. Then you got the big fridge, the Norcold fridge, that you can put a lot of groceries in there. And even get a couple tubs of ice cream in there. This is an awesome trailer. Then you have a little pantry section right here that you can break down however you like. Doesn't come with the TV, but if you would like to, we could add one in. That's not a problem. Also comes with you have this space here for it, but you also get Bluetooth stereo, so you can play your music, jam out with your family on the speakers on the inside or outside. Then you also have, boom, your dinette that also makes into a bed. So you could get a few people out here having fun, playing cards, and then you could turn it down and then go to bed. So if you guys have any questions about this awesome Jayco product, my name is Anthony.Fuller. They call me the Ant-Man. Give me a call, 541-653-2818. Thank you.